Now it is 9:46, 1 minute after that waste collection truck, you see. So now you have at the same time this one. So I will stop the video and see, and I will continue once it moves. And usually it makes 2 stops, 2 30-minute stops. Now it is 10:14 a.m. March 29, 2026, and this waste collection truck moved from the beginning of there. So they were standing for half an hour, and now they are going to stand here, and I'm going to resume my video once they move. Now it is 9:27 and this truck moved. First it stopped at the beginning of the road there, then here by 11 Washington Avenue. He stopped twice. 11 Washington Avenue is Joe's Stone Crab restaurant. So half an hour there from 9:45 to 10:14, and then from 10:14 to 10:27, second stop, 13 minutes. Now it's stopping by a vacant restaurant owned by Macedonian Emil Stevkov. Restaurant name is La Boucherie. On Miami-Dade property appraiser. That restaurant is under 230 building number, and then the street is the First Street, Miami Beach, Florida. And now you have a stop. This restaurant, on their marketing materials, they list address 81 Washington Avenue.